Hey guys, what's up? This is CeeLo and welcome to my kitchen. We're making the best kind of fried vermicelli today. And why is it the best? Because we're using 3 kinds of meat. We're talking pork, chicken, shrimp. It's kind of like the holy trinity of meat all wrapped together in a noodly package. It's really similar to a Filipino Pancit Bihon, and it's just as easy. All you need is a wok and a pot. For those of you that don't know, one way to get that silky, smooth, tender chicken that you find in Chinese restaurants is to use a little bit of baking soda. Just sprinkle a tiny bit, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then you're done. Ancient Chinese secret. Start with a blistering hot wok. Then add your onions. Stir for a minute until slightly translucent. Drop in 2 minced garlic cloves and your matchstick carrots. Make a well in the center of the wok and then add your cabbage. After 2 minutes, make another well and then add your green bell pepper. Remember that chicken broth we saved? Add a 1/4 cup of it now. Make another well, and then add the pork. Make room for that barely cooked chicken. Toss everything around a few times, and then make one last final well. Add your drained vermicelli noodles and the last 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir it for a minute or 2, making sure the sauce is completely incorporated amongst the noodles. Add the last and final white meat, shrimp, along with sesame oil, and then finally incorporate the green onions. Whoa, take a look at this! I gave it a turn and all the shrimp floated to the top. They're begging to be eaten. So, I bet you're wondering, is this any good? And what is my real reaction? I know this would taste even better with chili oil. Yeah, that's how you should eat it. So the saltiness of the soy sauce and the chicken broth, it's completely balanced out by the carrot and the cabbage and a little bit of the shrimp too. So those 3 meats all together, the perfect trinity that I was talking about earlier, yeah, it's perfect.